Hello everyone, you're welcome to my space, Learn with Walkuk'ah. So today we'll be learning how to design a flyer design with Pixel Lab. Without any waste of time, let's move ahead. So this is my Pixel Lab. If you want the premium version, you can send me a message directly in my DM. Okay, so we click and then we'll continue. So this is the interface of how my Pixel Lab looks like. The first thing you do is to change your background. So we come here, this tool over here, you click it and then it will take you to your background where you will choose your color. For this background, we'll be using white, so let's click color, look for white color. This is white. Okay, so the next thing we'll be doing here is to add a bit shape to this background. So you come to shape, you click, and then the shape we'll be using is yellow. Let's look for yellow. This is yellow. This is yellow. Good to go. So we'll look for rotate tool, this tool, and we'll rotate it like this. Okay, something like this. Okay, that's that. The next thing we'll be doing is to write the name of the company, and the name of the company is Alphanus. So here you write Alphanus, make it bold and in capital letter, click OK. Increase the size a bit so that it will be visible, and you change the color. We'll be using yellow color. This is yellow. This is yellow, right? Okay, so let's change the font. Here is the fonts I'll be using. So for this design I'm using Go Bold High. Click OK. Alright, make it bold. Good to go. Okay, so we're going to copy and edit it to technologies. The next text is technologies. Then make it in capital letter and click this. Will this the size and change the color to red. Okay, hope you're learning. Okay, so we are going to make a shape. We'll choose this color, this one here. We click check mark and create another shape. Look for a cycle, click a side, the cycle, make it that same color, this, and then reduce the size, make it small. Let's drag it here. I still want us to reduce the size, increase it a bit. Okay, so we're going to mesh the cycle and then this straight line, we'll mesh it. We are good to go. So we'll drag this, bring it here, reduce the size a bit. Scroll down. Okay. Alright, the next thing we're going to do here is to create another shape. This design is more of creating shapes. So we'll bring in this color, then the radius will be reduced to, I think 12 is okay. Make it a bit smaller, like this. This is perfect, right? Check mark and this done. I will want us to reduce the size again. Okay, so we are going to add inner shadow. This is inner shadow. We'll enable it and then change the color to white. Do you observe the difference now? See, it was like this, but when you enable it, you can see it for yourself. So let's increase the blur radius a bit. This is nice. Okay. So let's align this technology with alphanus. So we're going to use this spacing alignment. Going to increase it a bit so that it will align with the length of this alphanus. Okay, I think this is nice. Alright, so the next thing we're going to bring in is our image. So we'll go to the plus icon and then click from gallery, and then you take us to our gallery. This is my gallery, and click this image and click done. Check mark. Good to go. Alright, let's reduce the size a little bit. This is good. We're going to still import another image, which is this one. Yep. We're going to reduce the size again. Reduce it. Let's increase it a bit. We're good. We're good. I want us to take this up a bit. Okay, we're good. So the next thing is to create another shape. This time around, we're going to click this shape and then copy it. Then we'll come to edit and then we change the color. The color is going to be yellow. So we look for yellow color and change it to yellow. Here we are. Okay. So we check mark. Then we have yellow here. But then I want this to be much bigger. So let's increase it to be much more big, be much more bigger. Okay, this is perfect. And we are taking this behind this image. So we're going to use this tool. See this one to back, click to back, and then it takes it immediately to the back. Okay, so what are we going to write on this image? Let's go to our text effect and see what we are going to write there. Click this pen tool and we're going to write say goodbye to electric bills and power outage. Okay, let's make this like this and we could change the text color to white. The next thing is to reduce the text size. Let's increase it a bit so that it will be visible. Let's shift it small. The next thing is to make it bold. So we'll come to this style, click style, and then click this bold. Then you can see for yourself it's bold. Okay, just that this bill is not visible. Let's reduce the size a bit. Okay, I think this is perfect and it's visible. Okay, yeah, going to copy this and change, come to edit and change the color to, the color is going to be this color, this one over here. So we check mark, then we go. Okay, so we're going to make this a bit smaller and this is supposed to be like this and this behind. Okay, okay, so the next thing we're going to do is to write on this text, on this mark. What are we going to write again? Let's see what we're going to write there. So the text is power inverter, power inverter. Make it capital letter. Then here we are. Okay, we're going to change the font to Montserrat. We'll reduce the size.